You are now tuned in to Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. I'm your girl, Sounds of Shar'e. This is the Classic Men's Fashion Show 2021. I'm bringing you footage you won't see anywhere else. This episode is brought to you by The Retreat USA. It's a vibe.
For sure. Silo, it's amazing. If y'all ain't here, y'all should have been here. It's phenomenal. Sure to make the next one, because I'm gonna tell you like this. Everybody always saying they want something different in indie. Well, we give y'all something different in indie, and you home sitting on the couch. You know ain't nothing on Netflix. You done check Disney Plus, that's for your kids, and you just sitting there with a bottle of White Zinfandel doing nothing. Y'all need to pull up.
Well, you heard it here first from the one and only Willie Dynamite of Viverette Ties. All right now, Ms. Dickerson, you better serve them, girl. Owner of Runway Diva Fashion Boutique. Make sure you stay tuned to Up Close and Unplugged and Uncut. I'm your girl, Sounds of Shar'e, and I'm bringing you all the latest footage that you won't see anywhere else. Get on over to soundsofshare.net.